Namaskara. I'm going to talk about why is homework important, more so in voluntary learning opportunities and even more so in distance learning classes. The thought of homework itself gives some uneasiness to some people, like because it needs attention, uh, thinking, it needs time, and it feels like infringes into other activities. We go out, we do shopping, we do uh, other activities, we look after children, we do cooking, we do work. So this homework is like additional burden, and obviously it's boring, right? Yes, homework doesn't sound that exciting, but if one understands the purpose behind the homework, it is not difficult to overcome those challenges. Repeating what is told in the class makes the concepts clear, or at least more questions would come up which can be asked to the teacher or the instructor. Also, doing it in time before the next class or whenever it is asked to be submitted, that will reinforce the discipline. So the different studies have proven that repeating what is told in the class within a span of about 8 hours, sooner the better, that will make it stick in the memory for a very long time. And infringes into other activities, it takes time. So one has to understand that a certain degree of commitment is needed, especially when when you have enrolled for a class voluntarily, and especially when it is a distance learning opportunity. So you have studied, you have looked up online, you have researched, and you have decided to join a class of your interest. And after certain time, it might start getting boring. That is what happens. Now we have seen that when we enroll for a yoga class or exercise class or any other class, after some time it gets boring. So that is the time one should not give up. So that is the time one has to commit more and more into it, so the interest is developed, a taste is developed, and they start enjoying that activity. So there is also a saying in Sanskritam that Acharyat padamadatte padam shishya swamedhaya padam sabrahmacharibhihi padam kalakramena cha. There are 4 quarters which are assumed here as part of learning. So quarter is coming from the instructor or the teacher. Then the second quarter comes from the self-effort. Third quarter is from the fellow students discussing or studying with the other students. And padam kala kramena cha. The fourth is over a period of time as you study more and more or experience. So that is the fourth quarter. So that 1 quarter is important here, shishya swamedhaya, by own efforts, by self-commitment. So that commitment is needed here. Homework should be considered as an important two-way feedback tool between teachers and the students. For students, it gives an opportunity to repeat what has been told in the class about the subject and reinforce their skills. And for the teachers, it gives an opportunity, and it's very important, that opportunity important, to understand how well the students are progressing, because that's all that matters, more so importantly in distance learning opportunities, because there is no simple way to understand, there are no visual cues how well the students are progressing. So this homework gives a very important cue for the teachers, because based on the outcome of the homework, how well the students are doing the homework, based on that the teacher can adjust the pace of the delivery, in the sense whether the speed of the delivery of the subject should be increased or decreased. So that adjustment can be done so that all the students can learn in a better way, and there could be some adjustments to the topic itself may also be necessary. So all this gives a very important importance for the homework itself. Now if the teacher can say that, okay, you write to me what you have not understood, what improvement should be there, what adjustment should be done for the classes, but it may not be easy to write, it may not be very easy, it may be complicated to write exactly pinpoint what adjustment needs to be done, or what topics have not or to be repeated, not understood. But doing the homework and submitting it gives a better and clearer picture to the teacher. So please do not take the homework lightly, take it seriously and submit it to the teacher, so that both teachers and the students will benefit. Thank you.